Hello! Welcome to the GuideKnight YouTube channel. If you love baking treats, you'll need one of the best stand mixers to do all the hard work for you. The best stand mixers will whisk up light and fluffy cake batter in a matter of minutes. That means a good machine will produce even results, reaching all ingredients to the base of the bowl. What a more! One of the best stand mixers can do so much more than make a mean cake. These can stir bread dough, combine pizza dough, or whisk egg whites with ease. In fact, these are quite versatile machines, making them a great investment if you love to bake. But with so many types on the market, there are some things to consider before buying the best stand mixer. First, what size do you need? Some will want a larger capacity to feed a bigger family, while others may be more concerned about value for money or countertop space. Other considerations include how many speeds, features, or what attachments it comes with. In the meantime, we've picked a great selection of some of the best stand mixers to suit all lifestyle and budgets right now.
Number 3. Cuisinart Precision Master Stand Mixer SM50.
While the Cuisinart Precision Master Stand Mixer is solidly built of die-cast metal, it's not overly heavy, which makes it very convenient to store in a closet or cabinet when you're not using it. It has a large 5.5 quart mixing bowl and the oomph to mix batter for 5 dozen cookies. However, it can only knead dough for about 2 loaves of bread, so if you're a heavy-duty bread baker, this might not be the model for you. For its capacity, however, it is a very affordable and handsome choice. The Cuisinart is easy to use, and all the parts except the whisk are dishwasher safe. It is available in a selection of colors including ruby red, white, black, periwinkle blue, robin's egg blue, and silver. You can purchase a variety of attachments from a pasta roller to a spiralizer.
Number 2. Hamilton Beach 7-Speed Stand Mixer.
We won't mind. This stand mixer won't dress up your countertop the way a KitchenAid will, but it won't make as big a dent in your budget either. And you won't sacrifice much in mixing results. This mixer turns out clouds of whipped cream, tender lemon chiffon cake, and 2 tall loaves of whole wheat bread. The Hamilton Beach may take a little longer to mix than a KitchenAid does, but hey, you're not mixing the batter by hand. And when it comes to ease of use, the Hamilton Beach bests them all. Not only is the speed dial easy to turn, but it also has big numbers. No reading glasses necessary. If you're never quite sure what speed to use, check out the guide matching tasks to speeds right on top of the mixer head. Handles on either side of the bowl make maneuvering the mixer easy, and all of the parts, including the whisk, can be popped in the dishwasher. As the mixer is relatively lightweight and has a handle on top, it's convenient to reposition or carry to a closet for storage.
Number 1. KitchenAid Artisan 5-quart tilt head stand mixer.
With its iconic design, available in 46 stunning colors, including orange sorbet, green apple, and dried rose, the KitchenAid Artisan 5-quart stand mixer is eye candy for your countertop. But it's also a real workhorse that tops almost everyone's list of best stand mixers due to its fast, efficient mixing and quiet operation. It has the bowl capacity and oomph to mix up 9 dozen cookies for loaves of bread or 7 pounds of mashed potatoes. It has a slow start feature to avoid spattering your counter with a flurry of flour or a splash of milk when it first ramps up. Like all KitchenAid stand mixers, it has 10 speeds and a hub for attaching optional accessories, including a pasta roller and a spiralizer.
If you are new here, subscribe our channel and like the video.